This is Kurumathur, Kerala inscription. Aihole is from Karnataka. It mentions Kaliyuga days, number of days in Kaliyuga beginning, from Kaliyuga beginning as 14,51,260. It is a Sanskrit inscription written in Tamil Grantha. And this is Odisha inscriptions, Kaliyuga dated 4,958 and 4,959. This is the famous Nidhampur copperplate inscription mentioned by our beloved doctor. Now he mentioned this Nidhampur copperplate inscription of Bhaskara Varma of Assam. It mentioned the genealogy of Bhaskara Varma from Mahabharata War. It mentioned Bhagadatta. It mentions Bhagadatta who fought with Vijaya. Vijaya is another name for Arjuna. And Drona Parva and Vedavyasa mentioned that a full adhyaya that fight with Bhagadatta and Arjuna. So it mentions that from Bhagadatta there are 16 regnal periods of 16 kings and 3,000 years where the names were not mentioned. So it mentions the period from Mahabharata to up to the period of Bhaskara Varma. Dupi copperplate and Nalanda clay plate mentions the same genealogy. What is the period of Bhaskara Varma? That you can refer through Harsha Charita in the 7th chapter written by Bana Bhatta, the chief minister of Harsha Siladitya Pushyabodhi dynasty of Sthaneswar. It mentions that the Hamsavega, the messenger from Bhaskara Varma, met Harsha Siladitya at his early period of rule, and Hamsavega detailed the genealogy of Bhaskara Varma. In that also Bhagadatta name is mentioned, and also Huan Swang and his disciple based on Huan Swang mentioned that Bhaskara Varma was contemporary to Harsha Siladitya of Pushyabodhi dynasty. So his period is around 610. So from Mahabharata to 610 Common Era, there elapsed 3,000 years and regnal periods of 16 kings. So based on that we can... This is another inscription from Bangladesh, Batara inscription, issued by Gaur dynasty King Govinda Kesavadeva. It mentioned again Mahabharata, 4,151 years from the era of the first king of Pandava dynasty. So what doctor has mentioned is exactly correct. Northeast is not, it is east, but it has a excellent and strong connectivity with our land. So it is our part and parcel of our land. I thank ASA for using this photocopy. This is Anamalai inscription in Tamil Nadu, a Pandya inscription mentioned the date as Kali 3871, issued during the period of Jadila Parantaka Pandya. This is another inscription from Tirupparangundram, the famous Muruga temple. It dates 3864. I thank ISA for using this estamp page photocopy. This is Gramam inscription of Chola Empire. Parandaka Chola Chakravarti, Kali 4004. It is in the round, it is mentioned as in ancient Tamil letters as Kali 4044. It also mentions Kali dates as 14,77,037. Even you cannot change even a single day. And this is Sri Mushnam inscription. It is also issued during the grandson of Parandaka Chola Chakravarti, Sundara Chola, Kali 4060. This is in Jammu Kashmir, Bhuvaneshwari inscription, Kali 4530. During the period of Zian-ul-Abidin, the Sultan of Kashmir. And this is a famous inscription from southern Thailand, Kali 4332. In Sanskrit, I thank the author and publisher for using this photocopy. And this is an Upatur stone inscription. It is dated as Divi Sagasra Kalau Prapte. That means Kali 2000. That is a photocopy of the inscription. And this is a Shiva temple and photocopy of the inscription, estamp page of the inscription. And there is this is an inscription issued by Trinetra Pallava of Kanji. He issued a copper plate. In that it is also mentioned Kali 2000. There are village records recorded by Colonel Mackenzie. It mentions 1986 Kali. That records are available in Telugu University. So this is an Alathur inscription from Kongu region of my Tamil Nadu state, it mentions Kali 2437, before 700 BCE.